What's up guys, I am here with another project. In this project I have tried something new. For some days I was thinking about a full stack development, and this project is a small execution of my idea. So let me come to the main point. In this project I have built a web deep learning application where an user can put their own testing image to test it. So it's quite a long introduction. Let me show the project. So here are the main files of the project. Is the main Python file, and by the way I have used the Streamlit to build the front end. So it's the model, and it is the small architecture. I have used the convolution 2D layers, max pool 2D, convolution 2D, max pool, and then flatten it and dense it, and at last I come upon output layer. So these two are the model h5 file, and this is the model JSON file. So let me run it. Sorry. Yeah, so it will open in my default browser. Okay, so this is my web application. So I think it's pretty nice. You can read it. So this is the download some image for testing. So you can also try your own images for testing, and here I have given some I have already given some images to download. So you can also download it for test. These are the images. And let me show how it's work. So I click on browse file. Okay, so now let me select a picture. So let me select this picture. It will first preview the given image. Okay, then if I click on the predict button, it will predict automatically. So it is running and predicting. It's generating the result, and the model predicts it's as an image of a dog. Okay, so let me try for another time. So let me now click select this cat picture. Let's first preview the given picture. Okay, so now predict it. It's predicting, and the model predicts it as an image of a cat. So it's pretty cool, and it's pretty much amazing for its accuracy. So that's all for this project, and I think I've done a pretty well job in this project. So thank you for watching.